We live in the most connected era in human history. With one tap, you can message someone across the world. You can scroll through thousands of faces, videos, and voices in a single day. And yet, we've never felt more alone. Psychologists call it the loneliness paradox, the strange truth that the more connected we become digitally, the more disconnected we often feel emotionally. Loneliness isn't just an emotion, it's biology. Our brains evolved for tribe and touch. When humans lived in small groups, isolation meant danger. Being cut off from others could mean death. That's why loneliness hurts, not metaphorically, but physically. The same areas of the brain that light up when we're in pain activate when we feel rejected or ignored. It's your body's way of saying, find your people, or you won't survive. But in the 21st century, we've found substitutes. We replaced conversation with comments. We replaced connection with clicks. Social media gives us the illusion of companionship, without the reality of friendship. We measure our worth in likes and followers, not eye contact or shared silence. The result? Millions of us surrounded by screens, but starved of presence. Studies show that heavy social media users report higher rates of loneliness, anxiety, and depression. Our dopamine systems, once balanced by human interaction, now chase digital rewards, notifications, views, validation. Every like becomes a micro-hit of approval. But the high never lasts. And when it fades, the emptiness returns, deeper, quieter, harder to name. But here's the paradox: solitude isn't always loneliness. Great thinkers, from the Stoics to the Buddhists, spoke of the power of being alone. Marcus Aurelius wrote that, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." Solitude becomes sacred when it's chosen, when it's filled with reflection, not emptiness. The difference between loneliness and solitude is peace. Maybe the cure to loneliness isn't more followers or messages. Maybe it's presence. A real voice. A shared laugh. A quiet walk with someone who understands. In a world that's always online, the bravest thing you can do is to truly be there. So put the phone down. Look up. Because connection was never about Wi-Fi, it was always about being human.